What's up, guys? So we're back. It's been a while since we did an XB video, but Mike and Scott have been going at it. So they got the old exhaust manifold on. They got not the rest of the exhaust yet, but got the battery tray back in. We have the old thermostat housing back on. If you've seen the other video, the other one was curved for the damn, I don't even remember, for the exhaust or whatever. But we got the turbo out. Exhaust is out. The stock suspension's back on, correct?
Yeah, all the stock suspension's back on.
Ah, there's the air ride. Right there. We got the tanks out, the pumps are out, and you are currently
Just trying to put all the plastics back in.
plastic. Huh.
3, 2, go.
Okay, I don't know what else we're gonna do, but
Hey, there's my.
so now we're gonna fill the cooling system. That's not the right size.
I know. Hopefully, it should fit.
Oh God.
It's universal garbage. Did we even?
Did you?
What? Well, cause like look at see how there's still coolant in the reservoir.
It's just that
It'll be fine.
little pocket in there.
Right.
But once you pull a vacuum, whatever is in there is gonna come up there anyway.
Can you give us a brief history on the cooling system?
The cooling system. Oh, hello. Oh God. Ooh.
Wow. You get back here and have sex with my wife. He likes to knock this ground over.
You might have enough.
You didn't happen to bring home your Snap-on trademark screwdrivers, did you?
Oh yeah, you got my
Your
screwdriver.
electric screwdriver? No, it's in. Well,
What do you need, a 3/8?
I just need a number 2 Phillips bit.
Oh, I have my.
I know, but I want.
I have my
It's
screwdrivers.
just this, like the electric one.
I have.
'Cause there's like
I have my electrics.
30,000.
If you have the bit, I have my. What we basically did was we pulled the vacuum on the coolant system, so we sucked all the air out of it, and then we used that tool there, and we pretty much just filled it with coolant. It does have a filter on the end, so we just filled the coolant system. It's super easy, and then if you want, you could do the bleed procedure, no? If you wanted to, after you vacuum filled it.
Yeah, if you wanted to, but you shouldn't need to.
Yeah. All right, so we got most of it together, and now we're gonna start it. Oh, maybe as long as there's. Oh. Hello?
Try it. Yeah.
All right, so it starts. It obviously didn't have the exhaust on, but it started. Cool. Now we just gotta finish. So Scott decided to fill up the car with oil before putting the drain bolt on. Now we gotta clean up a mess. Way to go. Next time we'll check and make sure the.
It was a rookie mistake, all right?
Rookie mistake.
I'm from France. I'm throwing the white flag.
Yeah.
Like this.
What the hell? There we go. Oh.
Okay, following with day 2. So we got the air box in. Air box is in. We cracked the intake part of it. So we gotta fix that. And we gotta take the dash out. So we're gonna take the dash out. And we gotta pull the AF, what is it?
The FIC.
FIC out. And then
Bumper's gotta go on.
bumper's gotta go on. That bumper's gotta go on. And then we'll work on the Cavalier. It's that easy. No. So we gotta pull the dash out. So we gotta start doing that. So it's already, well, we gotta get all this out of the way. And then,
It's only a couple volts. It's a pretty quick process.
yeah, because there's one there. And then probably up there. Cool. So we'll start doing that. All right, everybody. So I didn't close out the video yesterday, but the XB is pretty much done. All we gotta do is the exhaust, right?
Yeah.
Just the exhaust. So we got the bumpers on. Oh yeah, wiper blades. We didn't have to pull the dash all the way out because we were able to just pop this forward a little bit and then get the AFE or whatever the hell it was called. We got that computer out. Actually, it's right. Where is it? Oh, this right here. The AEM fuel ignition controller. That's what was behind the dash. Oh my God! You hear that blow off valve, boy? Whoa! Oh! Oh! Oh, big turbo. No, I'm just kidding, little baby. But yeah, so that's it. So that's done. And then, yeah, so thanks for watching. If you haven't watched any of the other episodes, check those out, obviously, because you won't know what we did. But, so go check those out, and thanks for watching.